mine. You are mine. You are mine.
You bought this for me?
Yes.
This is good. So beautiful. In fact, this is high quality scarf.
You deserve more.
Hey!
You know my daughter has eyes for good things.
I know.
What a good taste. My sister, you needed to see the clothes she bought for me for the Ebanko.
Ow!
The traditional marriage.
Hey!
Not to talk of the one for white wedding. You will just faint.
Are you serious? That means the husband must be very rich.
Very rich. He's rich. Oh, Diego. Right.
I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. Gabuchon.
Hey. Hey. Why are you two looking so excited?
I didn't even know you were back.
Oh, my dear. I came back yesterday.
How is your daughter and her family?
Oh, thank you for asking. They are fine. Yes, sir.
The boy is really looking good on you. You know, Machali.
You can say that again. It is the Lord's doing.
And it is marvelous in our sight.
Yes.
Thank God you even came. I wanted to stop by on my way going. Possible. Take.
Hey. Okay.
My daughter is doing her traditional marriage in 2 weeks' time.
Hey! Naza of yesterday.
Yes.
Hey! All this for me? Enokwa, wrapper, bag to match, and even a scarf.
Yes, sir.
Hey!
Everything is for you. Do you know I actually selected that handbag, black,
in Afukwa
to match.
Hell, thank you so much. Oh.
Everything is for you. You know, I was just telling God, please, let Chinyere come back before my daughter's traditional marriage. And here you are, it all down. Bye.
No. Oh. Thank you.
Welcome.
How much?
Hey, Chukwu, God forbid. Which Egone? Nem, you are paying no kobo. Shishiafo, you will not pay. It's free. The wrapper, the purse, the hair tie, all to match. It's for you, everything.
My nanukwa. Hey, thank you so much.
All I need is your presence that day. Hey, Magon, I need you to be there.
Onya ki jinwa yeku. Imazi fenge emenwu. Hey, if for that day, I will surprise you.
Hey! Hey!
I said I will surprise you on that day.
Hell, you know you don't go alone. When you see her coming, come for it next second as well. Hey, where is your car? You did not come with it.
Nemo, the car is at home. My son-in-law took me to go and see one Oyibo doctor. And he advised me to always exercise. So I decided to take a walk, you know. As you can see, I'm looking so young. Ogabuchonye.
Which Ogo?
Hey.
Bye-bye.
Listen again. Let me continue my exercise.
So fine style,
Your
presence.
You know.
With the convoy.
Hey,
bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, man.
That's what you give to me. my friend, and you gave her wrapper, same scarf, a purse. Mezuko.
Ma, sign.
Honestly, I don't understand. So you're not my friend anymore.
Am I mad? That is why I brought your own hair tie. Gold. All you need to do is look for Hije here that will
Why
go
don't you give her silver? Give her silver wrapper since you gave me gold.
Ma, you know that the Agatha sitting before you here is a businesswoman. They said nothing goes for nothing. I have target. I know what I am doing. But wait, let me refresh your memory. Did you remember when her first daughter was getting married? She gave women one wrapper each with 5 liters of groundnut oil, which you also benefited. We benefited from it. Do you know what she gave to Justina? She gave Justina 5 wrappers and 25 liters of groundnut oil. As if that was not enough. When her second daughter was getting married, she gave Justina that small past my neighbor generator. Brand new, chara, tiaroba inside carton. That is what she gave to Justina, her best friend. Eh? So, she still have 2 more daughters that is yet to marry. I know what I'm doing. I know what I'm doing.
So you want her to be your friend?
I don't want her to be my friend. I want her as I'm investing in her with my wrapper, purse, and her tie. She will reinvest on me when her 2 remaining daughters gets married. That's what
you're investing. Continue.
Investments. Before I forget, what is Osinachi, your daughter, still doing in the house? Do you want to leave her for your late husband to marry?
Eh? Do you know you just insulted me? So we're gonna marry?
How can I insult my best friend? God forbid. I did not know it's an insult. Oh, sorry, don't be angry. Oh, it's just that I remembered. I said, let me still ask. That's Jan Hefrozen.
Jesus knows I ask for mercy. Let me not. Babe, why do I keep forgetting that line?
Because you're serious. Okay, listen.
Jesus Lord, I ask for mercy. Let me not implore in vain. All my sins, I now detest them. Never will I sin again.
No, I get it.
Yeah.
I get it. Okay, let's go again. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
God of mercy and compassion, look with pity upon me. God of mercy and compassion. Is God compassionate to people and you're not married? You're not using peaceful in your life and to your family. Then I forgot this song. Go and learn it.
Listen, Achi, are you having issue with your mom?
Oh, wow. Was she fighting with you?
Why did she spit on us? Sorry.
Mama, I am done with Nam.
What's up, Godun Gebiro? Just clear your face. I want to hear everything.
Mama, can you imagine that stupid Namdi? ordinary 50,000 naira, Mama, he did not give me. That's not even my problem right now. The phone that I asked him to buy for me, imagine what he gave to me. One China phone that does not even have name, and he expects me to use this thing.
What kind of phone is this? Is it the one he's been using?
Mama, he just removed this thing and gave me the stupid phone.
No, let's go back to what you said earlier. He didn't give you the money.
Mama, he didn't give me anything.
How about the latest iPhone you asked him to buy for you?
Mama, look at what he gave to me. This is a China phone that does not even have name. Oh, my mate will be holding the latest iPhone and I'll be using this thing.
Yeah, Caroline, it's not a new phone.
Mama, Nnamdi has insulted me. Nnamdi has insulted and I am done with him. I am done.
Bano, can you calm down? You said I'm okay this in weather. No. You have to close one eyes and be managing him while you open the other one and be searching for the right man. You drop him when you find someone better. You don't drop a man like that. So that at least you'll be getting small change from him. Like this phone, in case you don't have anyone. You can be managing this one.
Mama, I don't want to manage. I don't want to manage. Mama, see my friends. See the way they are enjoying from their boyfriend. Mama, no, please. Look, I'm done. I don't want again. I don't want. What kind of thing is this one, sir?
Why deceive you? Just be managing him. Eh?
Mama.
What you give, that's what you get. We are farmers every season of our life. What you give, that is what you get.
Are you alright?
I'm fine.
It's good you're back. Please come and help me cut these vegetables. Eh? Come and help me cut the vegetables, please.
Excuse you? I should do what? Hey.
Okay. Come and help me cut these vegetables, please.
What is wrong with your hands?
Okay. I'm making stew and soup. Come and help me cut these vegetables so that I can be faster.
So? Since you're making stew and soup, the whole world should bow at your feet. Please, Mama gave you these chores. Finish it and leave me out of it. Please. I am not cut out for stuffs like this. This is your calling. So, pound away. Cut the vegetables. Do whatever you need to do. Please don't.
That is why it's good to have a man that has money. So you mean he gave you all this money just because you spent the day with him? So what would have happened if you had spent the night with him? Hey!
Mama, he gave me all of this. You needed to see the way I was toying with him. And the way he was begging me to stay. Like his life depended on it.
Ow! Ow! I know you're romantic. Idiot. Such a knock. Ow! Food.
Sister, see, come and eat chicken.
Come and take it. Come and take it. That thing you're going to use to bite off this chicken, I'll pull them out from your mouth. You say you want chicken. God have mercy. Show compassion. Go and buy your chicken. Idiot.
Mama, I came to tell you that I'm done.
I've heard. Stay there. That is where you belong. Stay there. I want chabage.
Sister Kim.
Where have you been?
Mama, I took a walk. I just wanted to clear my hair.
Oh, Mom. I understand. Listen. Thank God you have gone to clear your head. That man does not deserve you. Just think of positivity. Think of the next man. Not the past. Past is gone. Think of...
Mama, who are we talking about?
Oh, Nnamdi. Ochaka Omwaka.
Oh, brother Nnamdi.
Who is brother?
Sister, what did he do?
Now, what are you looking at? You have brother Nnamdi. You raise your eyes like this. Shaba Zupua. Idiot. Then what can I do? Get the car. Oh, compassionate. If you want.
Mama, why is her hair like that?
I don't know. Monaji Bidala. Very soon she'll become mad. You see that girl? Ah.
Mama, are you sure you're the one that gave birth to her?
A chicken.
Mama, did you give birth to her or you picked her from somewhere?
Ask your father when you see me. Ha.
Oh. Mama,
Good chicken.
you're too harsh on her. Hey, come on, keep quiet. Because you're eating chicken now, nobody will hear word. What's that?
I'm showing you the answer, so just put there and solve it.
Orena.
Mama.
I'm married. Hey. Kenneth is here. He wants to see you.
Mama, tell him to go. I'm busy.
Orena. Come here. Come here and get her from there. What is your problem?
Mama, I just said that I'm studying and the Sister Usi is helping me out. That you should go. Studying for my jam.
That he should go. This jam she's deceiving you with. Where will you go with it? School. I don't have a kobo to give in the name of school. Look, a young, vibrant, rich boy is here to ask you out. And you open the zayulari to tell me to go and tell him to go. Okay, no? Because this Agadi Ekwenka, she's my mate. She's deceiving you. Did she study for it? Is she studying for JAMB?
Oh, Mama, I've always told you that I would like to go to school.
How is stopping you from going to school? Will marriage stop you from going to school? Marry him and he will train you through school. I don't want to repeat myself. You know I don't like repeating myself. I like ending it with hot slap so that sense will come into your head. Come and jump into your marriage right now. Go and jam your husband. Your husband is there waiting for you. Move! Before move, Wogi. Every seed you're sowing into her, I will root it out. By fire and by force. Agadi Ekwenka, you don't want to get married. Your little sister is planning, trying to bring a husband into her life. And you are here studying jam. Can you read? What do you know? Get one Idiot.
Talking about the money, why this boy is an idiot, very stupid vagabond. Hello? Okay, listen to me. No. I am not. If you don't want to pay me 12 million naira cash, make sure that container. Close that container. No. And I am no longer selling that. Close the container. No. Listen. Close that container for me. Are you okay? I'm not selling. You will pay in cash. Nonsense. Baby, beautiful baby. Look at my pretty queen. The most beautiful. Look at you. Very, very charming. See, are you lady like this?
No.
Why are you not lady? Go inside and change to something very, very, very charming. Do you know Momo Adamma that have many colors? Just change to something that has so many colors so that I can take you to a special place that you have not seen before. Hey, yeah. Aman kanjade. Nkabo nwata oma ezigbote onye obodo akwụkwọ ya zuru ezu. Your papers are complete, my baby. Very beautiful. Mama.
No.
Thank you very much, ma. Look at the way you're smiling. Very beautiful. No wonder your daughter girl is very beautiful. Like a mother, like a daughter. In short, because of this beauty, Let me give you something. Hi.
All of this?
Mama, take. This is small money. I looked at myself and I don't have any other cash. This is all the cash. See, Mama, expect more money. And more money is coming.
Hey!
This one is small money. Now, do you know how much I have in the high sea? My containers everywhere. 30 containers coming in every week. Mama, is too much. I will spoil you with money. This one is just change. Here you go.
So much. No wonder.
Hey.
You're such a kind and understanding man. Oh. No wonder my daughter loves you so much.
Really?
She's always talking about you.
Hey! I am very, very happy to come into your family. In fact, my heart accepted your family.
Our family is the best number one in.
I see it.
We are the best.
Oh,
my children, I train them well. I raise them well.
I see. I see.
Yes.
Where is my Ure?
Ure!
Hey.
You had go and beautify yourself with different colors. It's a nice pancake, nice lipstick, nice kiss, nice kanya. Please come out here. You're wasting his time.
Allow my Ule to make up. Allow my Ule to look very beautiful for me. Am I not? Oh.
Hey!
Hey, Yakata! Again, this is what I'm talking about now. The most pretty. More one in very, very pretty. Hi. Are you ready now? You're ready. Let's go. Hey, Mama. We're going.
Have fun.
Yes, sir.
Careful.
Mama. We will see you later.
No problem.
We will see you later. Just look at her very, very well.
Try and have fun.
Yeah. You see, by the time I take her out and she return, you will not know her again.
Please, I will know her. Kenneth.
Yes.
Please, everything you're going to do it small. Don't squeeze out all the juice in her. Anything you want to feel, don't eat on the edge. Don't lie on her. Just stay by the side.
Mama, it's not a problem. It's not a problem.
You are careful.
Tiaka.
Do you a favor?
Yes. Mama,
hey.
We will see you later.
You're two together.
All right.
Wow.
Why are you disgracing yourself? Walk well now. Hey!
I can't even do. Look at me, look here. Hey!
See, you look nice.
Thank you. You don't keep bad yourself.
I'm managing. Thank you. Is Nkem around? Yes. I want to see Nkem.
I'll try.
Thank you.
What is it?
Nkem?
That's my name.
What's happening? I've been calling your number for the past 2 days, but you've not been taking my calls.
So what? Does that in any way translate to Nandi come to my house? I remember vividly I broke up with you. What are you still doing here? It is over between us, please. What is it now? Kim, what is it? Stay out of this. It is none of your business, please. Excuse me. Excuse you.
Are you talking to me like that?
Stay out of this. Kim, are you mad? Me mad? Stay out of this. None of your business. Now what is it?
It's okay.
If you're looking for a man, go and look for him outside. Please leave me alone. No. Is he your boyfriend? In fact, you're not even boyfriend, if you are ex. What am I even still saying?
You're breaking up with me. What did I do wrong to you? Is it because of the phone?
Hi. Hey. See, it is everything. It is not just the phone. I wish it was just the phone. In fact, I am tired. I feel exhausted. I feel drained, as if life is gradually seeping out of me, just being with you. Listen, I am tired. Even with this shoe alone, Seth, who even built you? Which kind of shoe that you are wearing? God forbid, I am tired of you. Please, what is it? It is not just the phone, no. It is not only the phone. What is it now? It is bad enough that you are in this village and you can't even afford my basic day-to-day needs. Eh? I am tired of everything. Eh? For your information, I just changed my body cream. And you cannot even afford it, or did I lie?
Nkem.
That is my name. Why are you calling it? What is it now? Since you want him, take him. I dash you, I don't want. What is it? Rubbish.
Nkem, Jure. Nkem! I'm talking to you. Stop right there.
Stop there!
What is it? What is what?
Look, I'm going to forgive your outburst because I understand that you're angry. But don't you ever speak to me in that manner again. Do you understand me?
Did I ask you for forgiveness? Did I come to ask you for forgiveness? What is it now? Leave me alone. Please, leave me alone. Besides, who cares about your opinion? Because personally, I don't. It does not count. Your opinion has never counted. It will not start now. It doesn't matter.
Nkem, do you realize that I'm your elder sister? Do you realize that fact?
Elder sister, my foot. Who cares? Who elder sister help? Please. What are you still doing here now? Eh? What are you still doing in this house? Eh? What are you still doing in this house? Are you not old enough to be in your husband's house? Go and look for a man who will marry you. Leave me alone, oh. Am I your problem? Leave me alone, oh. This not
Agini. What did I just hear? Nkem did him in Apuala. Pogi. How dare you talk to your elder sister like that?
Oh, I forgot. Birds of a feather. Why am I even troubling myself?
You are stupid.
You are mad.
You are a mad person.
You are stupid.
Allow me to slap this girl.
What?
Oh! Let me blind her. Let me blind. You are a fool.
Go and look for a man that will marry you.
Usinachi.
Join now. You people should start prayer.
You are a fool. This girl. Allow me to beat her now, please. Allow me to beat this girl. What is wrong with her?
Look at them. This fly.
Let me. Blind your eyes.
Don't fall for your husband that will marry you. Advise yourselves.
Why you holding me?
Advise yourself.
Why are you tolerating this nonsense?
People cannot even see
Why are you
half man.
tolerating this nonsense?
Second and pep will not even stop for you.
Nonsense.
Rubbish people. But look at them. Look at them.
Abino. Get out from here, Ochiso. Why are you tolerating this girl now?
Ontoy. Ontoy.
What is this? What are you tolerating? What are you tolerating?
Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Namdi.
Mama,
Kedi?
all the thank God I met you here.
Any problem?
Mama, there's no much problem. Just that I've been having some issues with Nkem, and I've tried so hard to, resolve the issue with her, but she refused. She's not taking my calls. I even went to the house. She refused to see me.
Eh?
Yes, Mama.
Are you sure you didn't do anything wrong to her?
No.
Because I know my daughter.
I didn't do anything wrong to her, Mama. It's just that she requested for the latest iPhone. I even gave her my other phone. Look at the phone that I'm using now, Mama.
I know you have been trying to take care of her. But it's not enough. You have to try harder. Eh? Na money killer. Eh?
Mama, I'm trying. I'm trying so hard.
Nandi, I noticed your shop has been closed. Why?
Yes, Mama. It's because of this issue that I'm having with your daughter. I want to resolve it first before I open my shop.
Oh, wait, because of Nkandrim?
Yes, Mama.
You put your business on hold.
Yes, it's really affecting me and I cannot be doing business.
Business first, though. It's money matter that is causing all this problem. No problem. I will talk to her when I get home.
Please.
And try and clean those sweats. Is it because of the matter that you're sweating like this? No problem. I will talk to her. Oh, okay, Nife.
Okay,
I'm gonna
Mama.
go.
Why the hatred and wickedness? Who did die of our offense?
Osi,
I know you've been complaining about your mother's behavior towards you. But I never knew your sister is doing the same thing to you.
My dear, that's the situation I find myself. My father's house has become a nightmare. Nkame is even the least of my problems. My mother frowns and screams at me every day. I do all the house chores. Cheta, yet it's never good enough. Do you know that sometimes I wake up in the morning and greet her and she won't even respond to my greetings?
Are you serious? But why now? Why? Are you the only single girl in this village? Or is it now a crime to be single? Eh? I really don't get it though. I don't. Okay, look at me. Am I not single? But my mother doesn't treat me that way. Bow. It's too much, I beg.
Mine was not like this. It all started 8 months ago. She came home one day and gave me a look I will never forget. That was the day it all started. I was preparing to attend Chinaza's marriage. Her traditional marriage, you remember?
Yes.
She called me names and forbade me from attending the occasion.
God forbid.
She said I shouldn't attend the marriage, that I will be a disgrace to the occasion. That's what she told me.
What is this? Why is she doing all this? What? What is her problem?
What have I done to deserve this? What have I done to deserve this? What wrong have I done? I tried to live a decent life. God knows I tried. Why won't God bless me?
It's okay now.
Is there no, I want to know, is there a store I can go and get a husband? Let me just go and get so that all this will stop. I am not after money. I am not greedy. Why would God bless me for all this?
See, don't cry. It's okay now. Don't cry. I'll cry you. I'll cry. And you know I don't look good when I cry. It's okay.
What we call a live valve. A live valve. Eh? Oh. Hell! Nenu chuga. Chuga mwa. Hey! Ogene. My beautiful baby. My beautiful baby. Chuga mwa. Eh? Smiling now. Why are you flowing? Eh? Why are you flowing? Eh? Am I a love lighter?
You were very hard.
What is this now? I think I'm a soft man. Eh? I think I'm a soft man. I did not know I'm a hard man. I'm sorry. You see, let me tell you something you don't understand. You see this thing that you have in your waist, it has a way of making someone do what the person don't want to do. Okay, look at me now. Eh? My mind is to be soft now and I am hard. You see, desperate situation requires desperate measure. And this your waist and anything inside your waist is so desperate. So I apply. See, everything is desperate. Eh? Okay, for your troubles, you know I have money. Hey. Take all of them. Just keep all of them. Oh yeah, smile now. Smile. No, wait now, wait. You're going without giving me some sugar. Give me some buttermint now. What is going on? Okay, wait. Just walk well. So that your mother will not know that I've destabilized everywhere. Just walk well. So that she will not suspect. Just walk well. Walk well. Walk well. Sugar, nwa. Sugar, walk well. Now, do you want your mother to know that I have destabilized everything? Yeah? Hey, well, when am I coming back for some sugar? Sorry. I'm very, very sorry.
your side. This is my night, my day will come on. After the rain, the sun will show up. No matter.
Eh? Hey! Oh, thank you. You are the one enjoying now. You will only be giving me small. I said I can concentrate on dinner. I want to go and write jam. School on Akwego. See what is given. One outing. Hey!
Mama, I don't think I can do this anymore.
What can you do anymore?
Mama, I don't think I can marry Kenneth.
Why? Is it because of the way he talks?
No, it is not that.
Good. I know that cannot change anything. That is, in fact, it's an individual difference. Anybody can talk anyhow.
Mama, Kenneth is very rough. He practically attacks me in bed. Whenever we do it, he's always very rough. Even right now, I'm in pains.
I don't understand what you're trying to say. It's like he attacks you. Why don't you attack him back so that both of you will enjoy it? You don't just like that. They are looking for men that will attack them in bed and give it to them back. And you have somebody that will do it to you and you are complaining. Why? Are you an ingrate or what?
Mama, I am very serious. I cannot marry Kenneth. He attacks me in bed. He's very rough. I even had to go to the bathroom to massage myself with hot water.
Sorry. Maybe he attacks you because he loves you. He loves love me. When he sees you and he wants to do it, if he does it small, you will not feel the love. Besides, you have to tolerate that attack because of what he gives you. At every attack, go. Why? No, because love is giving. He's giving you more than he's collecting. Is it not one attack? And you're complaining like this with big money. If I were you, I will open up very well, remain attack well, and give me money. Money answers all things.
Mama,
don't worry. Come, let's go to my room. I have a special ointment that I will use to massage you, so that when next one comes, everything will be easy. You'll not be feeling the pain anymore. This one they ask you, I will be the one to spend this money now. You don't want the money because they attack you. Sorry. Or because they want everyone. Stop it now, like I said, this place you should be giving it to Kenneth, not to me. Now your face like this. When you see it, Omorego. Let's go inside, let me massage you. So that you be ready for another attack.
What you give,
yes,
that's what you get. We
what
are
is
farmers
it? Also, what you get? What you get now?
That's what you get.
You got
We
it.
are farmers every season of life. Be careful what you're sowing now. Tomorrow is mutually bound. Yeah. If you have to know, be careful what you're giving now. Tomorrow is mutually tell.
Where are you going to?
I'm going to the market. And where are you coming from?
I went to see our friend Osinachi to find out why she didn't come for morning mass.
So what was her reason for not coming?
My sister. Osinachi said her mother stopped her from coming. And she insisted that she prepare okwa for her this morning. Okwa na there, yeah.
Chegodi. So this thing you're telling me now, do you mean that Osinachi mother did this to her? but what in God's name is wrong with that woman?
Amarom.
Why
Why is she making Osinachi making life difficult for her?
I don't know. All this nonsense is because Osinachi is not yet married.
Yeah.
Just imagine.
She should go and get married now.
Which Oma?
Eh?
What did you just say?
She's becoming of age now. She should go and get married.
Are you sure you are okay?
Yes, now I'm
okay. Are you
okay.
sure you are alright? Calculate yourself.
Yeah.
Are you right? Are you okay?
Yes, now.
Uchoma. Uchoma. Will Osinachi marry herself?
Yes, now let her.
Will she marry herself?
Let her go and look for a man. The guy is getting old.
Look at pot calling kettle black. Eh? Uchoma, wait, forget the fact that we are age grades. You and I knows that you are 2 years. Eh? Uchoma, no. Hey. 2 years. 2 years older than Osinachi and I. Why are you not here? Why?
Are you mad?
You are stupid.
Are you mad? See, wait. Who is 2 years older than you? Agadinwa babies. Me that is still young and fresh like this. Wait. Kanji Kenegi. Are you my mother?
Oh, Joya.
Are you the midwife or not that helped bring me out into this life? Why? How do you know my age? Who is older than you people? Who is old?
You are not a friend, you are an enemy.
Which enemy?
You are an enemy, you are a big one.
Truth is
compound
bitter.
Enemy.
Truth is
you are a
bitter.
very stupid person.
Truth.
You are an enemy.
I felt that you
are not a Christian. 2 years. 2 years older than Osinachi and I. About 2 years. See your head, see your leg. Agadi, Grandma, good morning, oh Grandma, we are greeting you. Say, this guy is a witch. This guy about your mother. Let you care, they are not.
Mama, I mean everything I said to him. Nnamdi has nothing to offer. I heard from a very reliable source that he made a bad investment and that he's very broke now. So I'm done with him.
Okay. I am not asking you to marry Nnamdi. All I'm saying is manage him until you find someone new. A bed at hand is more than 1 million in the bush.
Mama, I already have a bed at hand because I have found someone new. Yes, he sent me 100,000 naira this morning.
100,000?
Yes, Mama.
Hey! You mean
Mama, not just that too. He also said that he will marry me when he returns.
Returns from where?
Mama, he lives in London.
Hey! That's wonderful. So when exactly did he say he's coming back?
Mama, he said next year.
What?
Yes, next year.
I don't understand. So you don't know an age here? You're not getting any younger. You should. What you need now is seeing a man today, and next tomorrow is getting married to you. When you get in a before you know, people will now begin to regard you as an old woman.
God forbid.
Ha! You know me, I don't trust this abroad people. That's how they'll tell you they're coming. Before you know it, 10 years are just gone by. You're not married. You're not with a man.
Mama, relax. Don't you trust me? I know what I'm doing. Mama, listen. As I speak to you, I'm still spreading my nets. And I will catch as many fishes as I can. You know now, we must eat in this house. When he comes back, I will give everybody red card. Then I will gently settle down with him.
You have my brain.
Mama, and your beauty.
Nnamdi, are you there? Good day. I'm fine. Nnamdi, are you okay?
See, I'm not fine. This thing with your sister is really affecting me. I love your sister so much.
Have you told her that?
I have. I've told her and I've tried to equally show her. You see, this, I want to propose to her.
Really?
In a very romantic way. Somewhere nice, like a fancy restaurant with candles and favorite food and a fine wine to go with it.
Hey, Nnamdi. Honestly, I never knew you were this romantic.
Try to be. I love your sister so much and I will do anything to provide for her.
Nnamdi, I believe you. Look, you know what? Forget about the fancy restaurant, the candles. Forget about all that. Just tell her you love her and you want to marry her.
Really?
Yes, really.
Just like that?
Yes, I think that will help. That way she will know that you're serious. See, she's at home right now. So come and make a move.
Okay.
Nnamdi.
You came to get something?
Yes, I want to buy milk, soap, detergent and tissue paper.
Okay, let me get it. Come.
Okay. Sure, Nnamdi.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Remember what I told you. She's at home. Just come.
I will call.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Toyota moto, one on sorry. I saw my name, my banner, one on sorry. Yama. Oh, Yama. I'm back. I know you're back. I'm not blind. Or do I look blind? I saw you. Or do I look blind? Look, I'm not blind. Man, if you don't want to come back, you can go back to where you're coming from. Because you know you're not back. Are you not a of coming back? Now just stay there. You come back. Don't really know money there. What is this?
I went to Nnamdi's shop to buy this. But he wouldn't take the money. He said he's giving it to us free of charge.
And you're laughing. What is funny? He gave you back 1.5. Again, I try serious. Why didn't you take the cash up and buy you a car? I'll give you 500,000. Now mine, no? How about the guy? They don't give you a 500,000 car. What if you, man?
This is something he's selling and he gave it to us free of charge. You should appreciate it.
Money, you're a big fool. Gave you 1.5. That's what you're gloating about. 1.5, checking the 1.5. And you brought it back. Maybe you're excited. Maybe you're honest. You didn't keep back the money. Hey, Onori! Thief! Rubbish. You're my I'm sorry. I saw my name, my banner. I'm sorry. My mind, you are bago. I'm sorry. Oh!
No, I love you more. And I'm going to be on video call again. I like what we did the last time. It was...
Mama?
You're here?
Yes, ma'am. Mama, good afternoon.
From you.
Mama, I want to sing Kem.
Oh, you want to sing Kem?
Yes, ma'am.
Like we discussed earlier, and I've told you before, I will tell you again. She said she is no longer interested. Oh!
Special. I can't wait a whole year to feel your touch and to see you again. Because I love you. No. Not even try it. Maybe I miss you. I love you. Yes. Bye. Love you.
Ogini. That was not Nnamdi, right?
Yeah.
Maybe I'm talking to you. Where do you think you're going to?
Hey!
Okay. So you've moved on already?
Mama, but I love your daughter so much and I want to spend...
Are you loving me? Is it not my daughter you're loving? The person you're loving said she's no longer interested. Honestly, I had expected you to behave like a gentleman. Hence I said she's no longer interested. You just turn back and go.
Who was that man you were saying all those rubbish to? Nkem Dirim.
Papa Dirim.
Nkem Dirim.
Papa Dirim.
Nkem Dirim.
Papa Dirim.
You are too young for this life. I'm warning you.
And you are too old to still be in your father's house. What is it? What is it? Allow me explore my beauty, oh, Virgin Mary. Allow me explore my beauty, please. Listen, God gave every woman a coochie. If you don't want to use yours, allow me to spread mine openly and beautifully, okay?
She said she does not want you. Get away. Get away.
Mama, please.
Bongo.
Mama, please, calm down.
Are you there? Don't you hear she does not want you again? Yeah. Marriage or by force. It's only for people that beg for marriage. Rich people will say, oh, I want to marry you, and they propose. Am I the one you're marrying? Which one is Mama, please?
Help me and talk to her.
I don't want to talk to her.
Hey! What are you doing here?
I don't know.
Okay.
Call her Nkem Dirim. Is she the one you're marrying?
Nkem Dirim. I can't imagine my life without you.
Hey, yeah.
Please, will you marry me?
Come on, Aga. Appear. Okay, you want to marry her with faded t-shirt, bongo trouser. This is not even your size. See your slippers. Whether the rats in your house, you don't cook enough for the rats.
Mama.
This ring, you should have stop buying this ring. I use it to buy a new t-shirt. Is it not better to come neater?
Okay, I will marry you. Yes, I will marry you. But as it stands, I cannot be like this because I would like to take pictures so that my friends know that you proposed to me. Let me go and change it to something fresh. No, don't worry. Okay, you can hold it so that you take us pictures.
Yes.
Mama, he wants to marry me.
He wants to marry me.
Mother, congratulations!
Congratulations! Oh, what's TNT?
Congratulations!
Thank you.
All in the name of love. Oh my goodness. You know me, you dey do me oh. You know me, you dey do me oh. Die by fire.
Namdi. How many times did I call you? Perhaps you will hear my voice loud and clear. Namdi, leave me the hell alone. Take your poverty-stricken self out of my life. I never ever want to see you, your canoe shoe, your faded t-shirts, your bongo trouser. Take them and get out of my life and stay the hell out. Is that clear?
You
Rubbish.
know me, you dey do me oh. You know me, you dey do me oh. Die by fire. You're looking up the sky. They say, I will look unto the hills where cometh my help.
Mama, my help is not here.
No, go to your house and look unto your own sky. This is the sky of our house. It will not bring help.
Mama, you are very
Go home.
Leave now. What are you still doing here? Get out of this place. Mama, I told you that Osinachi was in love with him. Mama, she wants to marry him. She has been eyeing him. Follow him to his house. Useless girl. Follow him to his house. Mama, don't you see the way she rushed to collect the phone? Follow him to his house. Rubbish.
Sorry now, tomorrow is mutually bound. Yeah. If you have to know, be careful what you're giving out. Tomorrow is mutually tell. Yeah. If you have to know what you give, that's what you get. All the action that we take must have a price. What you do, that is what you see. All the evil that we do must have a rise. Be careful what you sorry now. Tomorrow it must surely bounce. Yes. If you have to know, be careful what you're giving out. Tomorrow it must surely tell. Yeah. If you have to know what you give, that's what you get. We are farmers every season of our life. What you give, that is what you get.
Nnamdi, good afternoon. Nnamdi. Huh. Are you okay?
What do you want?
I want to buy bulb.
Which of the bulb?
White bulb, the pink type. Nnamdi, wait. I know it's actually none of my business. But what happened? Why are you crying? Did someone die? Hi. It's okay. Whatever it is, it will pass. Oh, go. Just take it easy on yourself. Nnamdi, now, it's okay. It's okay.
Of course. It just goes on and on. I know, babe. It's been going on again and again.
Okay.
Some jealous people just walked in. I'll call you back. But don't forget to send the dollars, okay?
I'm sure you can hear me. Better end that call.
Make sure you send the money. Thank you. Love you too. Bye.
Okay, what is wrong with
Jealousy, Jeloma, you are my problem.
What is wrong with you?
Oh, you are the person wrong with me. What is it now?
How can you do such a thing to that kind-hearted man? What is wrong with you?
You are my problem. I've answered you already. What do you want? I just realized that you are my problem. You've actually been my problem, but I didn't see it. Now I know you are my problem. You're the biggest problem I have in this house. Leave me alone, Osinachi. Leave me alone. Somebody wanted to send me dollars and now you are driving the person away. Leave me alone, no.
Will you put that phone down? What's wrong with you?
Mind yourself in this house. What is wrong with you, Seth? What? Are you having Kem? Have you gone mad? How dare you?
That sets you down. Talk to me again.
Mama, she slapped me.
How dare you slap her? Are you mad? Mama, how dare you slap her? Mama, she had the guts to slap me first. And so, I don't care if she broke your head. In fact, let her break your head because she's capable of taking care of you. She'll take you to the hospital and you'll be treated. But can you take care of her if you hurt her? If you had broken her face now, would I be able to? Do you have money to take care of her? This is the last time you lay that your cursed hand on my daughter. If you do it again, I will skin you alive.
Well, Mama, she started it. She
want me to come close to you? Don't you know what she's doing in this house?
Mama, she drove somebody away that wanted to send me dollars.
Okay, Fugo.
She drove the person away.
What you give, that's what you get. We are farmers every season of our life. What you give, that is what you get. We are farmers every season of our life. Be careful what you're sowing now. Tomorrow is mutually bound. Yeah, if you have to know. What you give, that's what you get. We are farmers every season of our life. What you give, that is what you get. We are farmers every season of our life. Be careful what you're sowing now. Tomorrow is mutually bound. Yeah, if you have to know. What you're giving out tomorrow it must surely tell. Yeah, if you have to know what you give, that's what you get. All the actions that we take must have a price. What you do, that is what you see. All the evil that we do must have a price. Be careful what you're sowing now. Tomorrow it must surely bounce. Yeah, if you have to know. Be careful what you're giving out. Tomorrow it must surely tell. Yeah, if you have to know what you give.
I am flip. I know Mama.
Jojo, am I the one you're talking to? No, did you just talk to me? In that parlor? Are you mad or something?
You're raising shoulder. No, you're flexing muscles on me. Emeka, these muscles you're flexing, why didn't you use it to go and make money? Now you're raising shoulder. That's by the way. Emeka, why are you back? What's the story this time? Jojo,
as you can see, I am coming back from a very far journey. The type of journey that you will never be able to embark on in your entire life. So, respect yourself and mind your business.
I will not mind my business. Emeka said I will not mind my business. I will not mind my business. Emeka, so you're back to this village to kill that poor grandmother of yours. Emeka, what is the problem? Efu, Anumpama. Why didn't you want to help your life? What is it? What is it? I don't understand.
Jojo, I can see that the bleaching cream you're using is affecting your medulla oblongata.
Hey! Hey! Get me
Hey!
Emeka said I'm dropping it. Hey, Emeka, bleaching cream me. Emeka will meet in this village. Don't worry, we'll meet again. Hey, me, I'm using bleaching cream. Okay now, I'll meet you. Don't worry, we'll meet again. Me, bleaching cream, me. Me. Hey. Oh. Me. Emeka, don't worry.
But Emeka,
Choma,
how are you?
I'm okay. And you? Good afternoon. Thank you.
I'm fine.
Yeah.
Oda, are you back?
As you can see me with my bag.
Hey,
of course I'm back, yes.
But my brother told me that you went to the city to do boy.
Yes.
Like apprentice.
Yes.
But I'm aware that it takes like 6 to 7 years to get settled. Okay, but I go under 2 years, except for 5.
The thing there is that they have not settled me. Look at this squirrel. Idiot, think I be a juba juju bugu. Ekwensu. Bugu.
Emeka, this Moses, why did you?
But my brother told me that you went to the city to do boy. Yes. Like apprentice.
Yes.
But I'm aware that it takes like 6 to 7 years to get settled. Okay, but I go under 2 years, except for 5.
Emeka, why are you back? What's the story this time?
What is it, Saf? Or do I be by who go anywhere until it gets dark? Besides, I'm a man. Whatever that comes my way, I will face it. Yes, now talk, they go talk. To go. Talk, they go talk. Go keep yourself. Talk, they go talk.
Osinachi, why are you asking that question?
Uncle, I need to know. You have no idea what I've been going through in that house. What do you know about my birth? Was I adopted? Uncle, please tell me. Tell me, I need to know. Please.
When evil stays so long, it becomes tradition. One of those wise sayings I do hear from my father during those old good days. I noticed your mother's negative attitude towards you the last time I visited your house. Of course, I inquired from her the reason. And she told me that her concern for you not to have gotten married till this time is the reason. Well, her concern later turned an abuse, which is a problem as a matter of fact. But let us forget about that now. Coming to your question. The day your mother, Majeku, went into labor, I was in your house. I was in your house to help my brother, Ejike. I was busy in his yam barn. All of a sudden, we heard your mother screaming. We all rushed to the scene to find out what the problem was. And then we were busy trying to help your mother to your father's motorcycle. All of a sudden, she gave birth. And we were all excited. We jubilated. We were all thanking God. Masinachi, your father raised you and named you Osinachi, which means direct from God. And I tell you this, I can beat my chest anywhere, anytime, no matter the situation, to say that Majeku is your mother. You are the biological daughter of Majeku.
But uncle, I see hatred in her eyes towards me. What is my offense? My own mother treats me like an outcast. Every day, every single day is a work in progress to make her like me, and I'm tired. Uncle, I'm tired. I'm so tired. I'm so tired.
Okay.
I'm tired.
That is all right. That is all right. It's all right, my daughter. Stop. You see, a bird cannot change its feathers because of bad weather. Certain things are made to be the way they are. Naturally made to be the way they are for something better in future. Please, do not hate your mother. She is still your mother. Your mother remains your mother. Don't hate her. Please. It's okay. It's okay.
What is this girl waiting?
Baba.
Chukwemeka, I know it's you, my son. Adora. Chukwemeka.
Yes, Mama.
What is it again? What is it? Who is she? I mean, who is she?
But this is where I saw her. Where could she be?
Agatha, I don't know what else to do. How can my children be the cause of my pain and sorrow? How?
Hey! Ma, my friend, are you sure this thing is not a spiritual problem?
What kind of a spiritual problem? Agatha, you know that Osinachi is a prayer warrior. Hey. And right now as we speak, she's in church. And that has been the problem. Paying too much attention to the things of the church. How she will turn around and begin to dress like the normal young girls. Begin to go out and interact, meet people. Maybe someone will be interested in her and marry her. I don't know what else to do. Honestly, I'm tired.
It's okay. Oh, don't be tired. I am praying for you. Every day I pray. I put you in my prayers. Don't be tired. God is not asleep. But you need to put more pressure. Pressurize her. Let her know that she is due. How much again? People are talking. You know you are my friend and I will always tell you the truth. Anytime I'm passing Mbia Junction, they are gossiping my friend. Majeku, my own best friend. No. But I'm praying for you. I'm praying for you. How can somebody have 3 beautiful daughters? None is married.
It's okay. The more you're saying this thing, the more my heart is breaking.
Sorry, I will not say again. It's just that it's paining me.
Let me go and let me see you off.
Oh, don't worry. Don't be tired. I'm praying for you. God will see you through. Oh, don't worry. Hey.
Why the hatred and wickedness? Who did I of our offense?
Are you still selling firewood? Isn't that what she's good for? Anyway, our firewood is almost finished and I want you to bring some to the house. How much is this one you're carrying?
300.
Bring the one of 500.
Adowa, are you not coming back to school?
Andy, I'm trying to raise money for my fees. But by the grace of God, I'll join you soon.
Adowa, don't worry, okay? I'll bring my notes for you to copy. With that, you'll miss out so much, okay?
Can anybody feel my shoes? I'm now a shadow of myself.
Casey, she's our friend. You should help her instead of mocking her.
I hear you. Andy Miss Goody Goody. I thought she's perfect. It's bad enough to know that she's the most brilliant girl in class. But she claims to be the most beautiful too.
Casey! Is that your problem? So you're jealous of her?
What nonsense! Please excuse me, we are late. But if you like,
this is my night, my day will come on. After the rain, the sun will show up. No matter of time, I will be alright.
Good afternoon.
Also,
Good afternoon.
What is good about this afternoon? Mo good afternoon. Chineke kpokwa aga ọkụ nga ahụ gị na-ekele m good afternoon. May thunder twist that mouth you use in greeting me good afternoon. Who is your auntie? Ajigangi, ọmọ mụrụ gị. that gave birth to you? Or you don't village? Stupid boy. I said it. I said it. So finally you are back. Hey! I knew that nothing good will ever come out from an empty and useless call like yours. Nausea, shameless idiot.
Did I say anything wrong? I only greeted you and then where is all this coming from?
Why will you greet me? Did I beg for your greeting? I do not need greeting from useless and idiotic people like you. Nausea.
What's your answer?
Also?
What answer? Are we quarreling? I greeted you and then...
Why will you greet me? That is the question. I don't need greeting from useless people. Shameless people. I don't need your greeting. Keep your greeting to yourself. Nausea. What?
What did I do wrong? I only greeted her good afternoon and... What is all this? The only poor one in this village. Odadigide. It's okay. Odadigide, she one day. Am I the only poor one in this village? What is it? Good afternoon, and then they started insulting me. Yeah? Who does that? Adora! Adora, what is the meaning of this? No, shouldn't you be in school? For crying out loud, your mates are in school studying. What are you doing here?
But I've not been in school for the past 3 weeks.
May I know your reason?
I was sent out of school because of school fees. Brother, when last did you send us money? Do you know that my last school fees was paid by a total stranger? I even promised her that I was going to give her back the money as soon as my uncle sends money to us. But it seems it's not going to happen.
Well, you see... Mama. Grandma.
You are back.
Yes, ma'am. So, 2 steps. Sit.
Oh! Thank you, my son. Chukwemeka. You must be very hungry. Adora, get him his food.
My Cecilia, I'm not hungry. I'm not hungry, get back. I'm trying. Now, Mambo, I'm trying. I was careful the last time. I tried to make accurate budgets. And tried to save too. But everything disappeared in the twinkle of an eye. And then I tried to survive with the little goods I had in the store. And robbers from nowhere came and they stole everything. Grandma, who did I offend?
Chukwemeka, my son. It is well. I do not blame you for your misfortune.
You should, Kutsa. You should. Everyone is laughing at me. I've become a laughing stock in this village, Grandma.
It is only fools that laughs when nothing is funny.
I'm sorry for disappointing you.
Chukwuemeka, my son.
Yes, Grandpa.
You have not disappointed me. But you will if you give up. Will you give up?
Sorry, Grandma. Sorry. Sorry, Grandma. No, I will never give up. I will never give up.
Good. Good, my son. It doesn't matter how many times you fall. What matters is how strong you become. Yes, my son.
Why the hatred and wickedness?
Yes, Grandma.
Who did I offend? I'm now a shadow of myself. Who did I offend? No matter of time.
Urenna.
Okay.
Urenna. Mama. Mama, for 2 times before you will answer.
Orenna, Mama, you know you're very precious to me.
Yes, Mama.
And I love you so much.
Yes, Mama.
That is to say, everything I do for your good. Okay? Yeah?
Thank you, Mama.
Chalu go mom come and sing here. Look at this. I am giving it to you to make your life much easier with Kenneth. So that when he wants to attack you, you will be the one attacking him. He will no longer launch his attack on you. You will be the first to attack. So take.
Mama.
Take it!
Mama! Mama, what is this?
See this? Don't you want to go to school again? You see this thing? Hey! Oh, Ogonoya. This thing will give you, Kenneth, into your hands. Everything you need, he will give you until you find someone better. Did I say someone better? No one can be better than Kenneth. But since you say you want a change, no problem. This will give you the enablement.
Mama, but I've told you I don't want to marry Kenneth.
I don't want to marry him. We are not talking about marriage now. We are talking about love. Don't you want to?
Let's take this! Are we talking about marriage here? Don't you want to go to school again? Okay, you want to go through the air. Maybe by then I will sell my 2 breasts to give you money. This is life made easy for you. Keep it, use it well, and it will help you.
Mama, what is this? And where did you get it from?
I got it from Judolf.
Hey, Mama! Judolf, the witch doctor! Mama!
Come and pick it now!
Mama, please, I don't want to marry Kenneth. Please.
You don't want to marry Kenneth? Yes. I'm not forcing you to marry Kenneth. Look at the way you threw what I gave you honorably. You're claiming now to be decent. From your head to your toe. All these things you're putting on, you're wearing. Who gave you money to buy them? Was it me? Is it not still men? Is it not Sam Kenneth? So I have given you something that will make you get more money, acquire more money, wealth, cars, dresses. You're throwing it away. Before I open these eyes and close it back, that thing is in your hands.
Mama!
Take it, I'll slap you. Something I gave you. So that it's what you're throwing away like that. Don't use it well. Egungobarage. Ebabaya. Do I blame you? When you go and make this money we are talking about, it will get to me. Oh, so you don't want to continue looking fine like you are? Eh? You that I'm trying to bring up, you're bringing yourself down. You want to be like Osinachi? Okay? Stupid.
Who's that?
Probably some jealous idiots.
I'm just coming from your shop, but you're not there. Are you going to your shop now?
No, I didn't open today. I just want to quickly pick something and leave.
You're leaving town? Why? Namdi. He's leaving town. Why? Is it because of Nkem? Namdi is a very nice guy. I know it's actually none of my business. But what happened? Why are you crying? And he deserves better. Which one is that he's leaving town?
Now I don't understand what you're talking about. Did she tell you I'm maltreating her?
Majeku, I don't need anybody to tell me anything. You don't need a mirror to examine the bangle you have on your wrist. I am not blind. I am not deaf. I hear stories, a lot of stories about your daughters. Particularly in Kemderim. Think about what she puts on, the kind of dresses she puts on going around. Think about the multiple colors on her body. I don't
know how the multiple colors affect you. Because you have lived your life. Leave my daughter alone. You have said enough. What is wrong in the things she puts on? What is wrong in the way she's looking? That is the trend of the time. Men like it like that. Young men like it like that. And that is why they're rushing them. Look at Osinachi. That dresses like a blessed Virgin Mary with her chaplet up and down. What has that gotten her? Eh? That's the millennium clothes. Yes. The trend of the day. The trend of the time.
Trend of the day. Okay, why not call it million clothes instead of millennium? And call it trend instead of trend of. Listen. There are three things that remain mysteries in this world. God, man, and nature are mysteries. Nobody knows tomorrow.
And so?
Life can turn, life can change any moment. So do not be distracted by the side attractions of the present moment. Don't. So that you don't lose guard. So that you don't lose your guard. I'm telling you the truth.
Are you done?
Don't be carried away by the side attractions of
You
life.
say now, Biko, that's done. Not allow people to enjoy their lives. Old age, not a boogie man like you won't even allow them to live their life.
I am an old man. But then if you forget the old, you will never see the new. That is true. I've told you 3 things that remain mysteries in this old universe: God, man, and nature. Don't allow yourself to be carried away by the sad attractions of this present life, this earthly life. For the fact that you gave birth to Osinachi does not mean you have a control over her destiny. It is not true. I have just told you, be careful so that you don't get distracted, you don't get carried away by the sad attractions of human life. Anakwam, so that you don't lose guard.
Come and live
Anakwam,
here.
I am going.
Come. The spices of life. Naba!
I don't have much to say.
Because Naba Biko, and I call it, and I come. You forget the old, you don't see the new. Who cares?
Adora, what is it?
Brother, I heard that you are going to work on Mazin Dugue's farm, so I want to help.
Adora, as a matter of fact, you need to go back home and take care of Mama. It is my sole responsibility to look after you. Let me go and work so I can raise your school fees. Is that understood? You want to go? So go back home.
Brother, I want to follow you. I want to go. I want to help you. Let me help you.
Adora, are you deaf? It's Lindsay. I said go back home!
Brother's her.
Adora, right?
Yes, I'm glad you remember.
Of course I do. How are you?
I'm fine. See, I'm sorry I couldn't bring your money, but I promise I'm going to bring it.
But I thought I told you to forget it. Okay, forget it, okay?
Hello.
Hi.
Thank you.
For what?
Well, she told me that someone paid her school fees, so since you're that person, I want to say thank you.
Well, you're welcome. What?
Well, today is a beautiful day. Oh yes. You don't know how much I've been wishing to see you again.
To see me again? I'm sorry, have we met before?
Yeah. 2 weeks ago, at Umodu Road, I saw you crying. I felt like a coward for not saying anything to you. And ever since then, I've been wishing to set my eyes on you again.
Why?
Well, I felt like I guess I have a thing for you. I really wanted to see you again so I can talk to you.
Well, here's your chance.
Well, you see, I could tell you.
Your face is not bright.
Yes, Mama. She said Kenneth is on his way here to pick me up.
So, is that why you're like this? Don't you like him and he wants to marry you?
Sister, Kenneth has not told me anything about marriage. It's only Mama's head that Kenneth wants to marry you.
Okay, but do you want to marry him?
No! The only reason I am still seeing that man is because Mama have refused to send me to school. And I really want to go to the university.
I know you want to go to school. But I also want you to do what is best for you.
Mama will not let me.
She will. Okay? She will. If you stand your ground, she will. Huh?
Thank you so much, sister.
You look happy. I do?
Yes, what's with the excitement? You met someone today?
Who said I'm excited? Who said I met someone? Please, don't leave me.
Sister!
Hooray!
Sister, tell me the truth. You met someone. You met someone.
What you give, that's what you get. We are farmers every season of our life. What you give, that is what you get. We are farmers every season of our life. Be careful what you're sowing now. Tomorrow is mutually bound. Yeah. If you have to know, be careful what you're giving out. Tomorrow is mutually tell. Yeah. If you have to know what you give, that's what you get. All the action that we take must have a price.
Adora, are you ready to go to school? Yes. Thank you. That's your school fees. Huh? Oh, okay. You're welcome. Make sure you study. Yeah. Avoid all these village boys that will be looking for something else. Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, go to school.
Bye.
Take care.
We are farmers every season of our life. What you give, that is what you get. We are farmers every season of our life. Be careful what you're sowing now. Tomorrow is mutually bound. Yeah. If you have to know, be careful what you're giving out. Tomorrow is mutually tell. Yeah. If you have to know.
Osinachi!
Oh, you're not around here. Who is that?
Osinachi!
Mama, is Osinachi at home? She's not in the house. Mama, where did she go to?
I just told you she is not in the house. What else do you want to hear?
Mama, pardon me. I just want to be sure it's not Osinachi. I saw with that good-for-nothing boy called Emeka holding hands on the road playing.
Play with who? What are you talking about?
Emeka Onoha. That good-for-nothing boy, that failure, that serial failure. I'm very sure I saw Osinachi with that boy holding hands on the road playing. Mama, that's why I came to the house to confirm. If she's not the one I saw with that useless boy, no, she's my very good friend.
I know. Your friend indeed. And because you were anxious of your gossip, that was why you couldn't greet me. Now you have given the gossip. Sorry for yourself. Can you leave?
Mama,
don't talk to me, just get out!
Mama,
get out! Am I your mate? Easy. You want to come and gossip, that is why I saw Snap playing with that good for nothing because he did not toast you. Good for nothing serial killer. You are waiting for him to come and toast you. That is why you are coming to report.
Osinachi.
Ma? Which man were you frolicking with today in this village? Ma?
Oh, are you there? Which man were you with today? And I heard the man was touching you in dangerous places.
Especially this your breast. The man carried it wholesale.
Hey! Virgin Mary.
If you look at her like that again, I'll slap you.
Oh.
Mama, I was with Emeka, but he was not touching me or doing anything of that nature to me.
I know which of the Emekas. I know Emeka Waneri. That one is very rich. In fact, filthy rich. I know Emeka Anele. That one is not very rich, but it's very, very comfortable. And that is manageable. So which of them, Emeka, which of them?
I was with Emeka Onoha.
Hey! Hello!
Hey! Why Mezugo? Why Mezugo? I know you plan to kill me. I know you plan to rub mud on my face. But before you will rub that mud, before you will kill me, I will kill you first. Emeka Onoha, whose great-grandfather was an imbecile.
Imbecile? Yeah.
Whose grandmother is blind. Blind bat. Whose immediate parents died in a strange motor accident. And his little sister got pregnant for a man that is old enough to be her grandfather.
Child!
13 years. She is a pervert.
And they said I'm a call girl.
Is it Emeka?
Virgin Mary.
Is it Emeka? Yes, ma'am. Oh, you're proudly calling him Emeka. When I told you the Emekas that we have in this community, you're not a failure. That one does not belong anywhere.
Mama, hey! His name should be removed from Emeka.
Osinachi, you have killed me. Osinachi,
are you mad?
You have killed me. But before you will kill me, I will kill you first. That shame you are packaging to put on my face. May you get away. Your next name will be Shame.
That would have been better, Mama. At least we'll be seeing daily returns.
Don't walk out on me.
Osi. Osi.
What are you doing here?
What does it look like I'm doing here? I came to see you.
You have to go.
Go away.
You have to go.
I'm not going anywhere, my friend.
Anyway, come. Just go. I'll explain later. Just go. Emeka, no.
Mama, good afternoon.
You don't? What do you have with my daughter? No, don't tell me. You have something with her. Maybe she means something special to you. I believe she's someone you know. Man, I'll carry her now.
Well, madam, Mama, you see, as a matter of fact, she means everything to me. She means the world to me, Mama.
Oh.
Yes, she's a very decent girl, well-trained, God-fearing. I mean, she's the type of girl that every wise man would want as a wife. I no longer want our relationship to be a secret. Yes, ma'am.
Do you want the blessing to come now? Or do you want it to come late? That's it. Okay, go now.
Mama, as tradition demands.
Oh, as tradition demands. Hey, my friend, I know you are intelligent. No problem. Let me go and bring you cola. Eat the milk cake.
Thank you, ma'am.
You know what I mean? Yeah, no problem. I'm coming.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
Hey, no!
Calm down. I mean, what is wrong with
you?
Mama, what do you want to do with my water? Mama?
Why only no explanation?
Mama?
If you go some more waranya. Are you mad? No, are you mad?
No, Mama.
Mama, go see a man. Idiot.
Just give me cola. Look at me. You respect yourself. Respect.
You ever achieved something? I gave you a special cola nut. It's only people that look up to the heavens when they are told the truth. Idiots. You are crying. You have been doing it since. Every day you that place. You know you are deceit. You know you are deceit. You have been doing it since. You need my support. I just gave you my support. Mama, where are you going? Witches and wizard. Rubbish. Emeka! I came to introduce myself to go from the way. If you
How are you now?
I greet you too, my daughter. You must be Osinachi.
Yes, I am.
You are welcome, my daughter. Please come and help me to my seat. I want to sit down.
I'm fine.
You don't sound fine, my daughter. But don't worry. It is well. All will be fine. All will be fine.
Baby girl, why haven't you been picking my calls?
Because I don't have time for stingy guys. Listen, you will not stress my whole life and end up giving me peanuts, okay? I won't give you that opportunity, trust me.
Come on, baby girl. Business has been good this past week. And I promise to take you out to spoil you.
Are you sure?
You don't trust me?
No, I don't trust you. I don't trust you, not even one bit. Show me something and I'll know if to trust you or not.
Okay, baby girl. I'm not only going to spoil you, I'm going to shock you.
So, now you're talking. You know what? Let me go inside, change my shoes, get my handbag, and I'll be with you shortly.
Okay, baby girl. I'll be waiting. I trust you.
I'll be right back. Wait for me, oh.
Okay.
What is it? Nkem, what are you doing to yourself?
I'm wearing my shoe.
You know what I'm talking about, so don't pretend.
What did I do again?
Nkem, what are you doing to yourself? I ask you again. Is this how you intend to get married?
Hey.
Every day, different men come to drop you at odd hours and in the eyes of the people. Are you not worried that they might see you as a call girl?
Oh, please, shut your mouth. Just shut it, please.
No. You shut your mouth. You shut it. Look, I'm only tolerating all this nonsense from you. Not because I'm afraid of you. Despite your constant disrespect, I will still advise you because you're my sister and I love you. Nkem, quit this lifestyle. Quit it. Look, stop this whole thing you're doing and go back to Nnamdi. Yes. Go on your knees and apologize to him. I'm sure he will accept you back.
What did you say? I will do no such thing. I will do no such thing. Even added go on your knees. What disrespect. Hey!
Hey, go on my knees. This my straight and beautiful legs. To go and beg who? Hey! I have suffered. Nkem, you have suffered. But because you are my sister, I will equally accord you that respect. I will do no such thing. And don't you ever tell me that again. What is it now? Mind your business. Please. What is it? Why are you jealous of me? Stop being jealous. Osinachi, stop being jealous of me. It is not my fault that men don't find you attractive. Or is that my fault too? That men don't find you attractive? Tell me, let the whole world hear it today. It's not my fault. Please, leave me alone. Since you've decided to become Virgin Mary, allow me to become the call girl like you called it. Okay? It is not my fault that men see me and don't see you. I am like a magnet to men. Touch and follow. Touch, picture, and follow. Do you understand me? I am beautiful and I am irresistibly attractive. Okay. You are a speck. Listen, Osinachi. The next time you stop me, when I am going out, you will not like what I will do to you. You can become 40 years old and still remain here. So please and please, in the name of God, in the name of whatever you hold dear, don't you ever. Is that clear? Virgin Mary.
So you are a magnet to men?
Yes, attractive one. You forgot attractive. Please, be on your own and leave me alone. And see, next time you see me going out, don't stop me. Don't even try it. Okay. Don't stop me. What is it?
In Kev Dream, I will still say it. I'm only concerned because you're my sister. Otherwise, I will just ignore you and let you fool around with yourself.
Very soon you'll be 40. And I'm the one fooling around. When last did the man even tell you? So, as it stands, don't you ever in your full life stop me again. Is that clear? Shut. This is what you should be doing, Virgin Mary. Take it, make sure you keep it inside, oh? And you can as well cook. I'm coming back. Hey, let me not cook my man wait.
Okay, sister.
Yes, Father.
You've heard all I've said?
Yes.
Okay. There's nothing to worry about. Yeah. So there is nothing impossible for the Lord to do.
Amen.
Just believe every spirit of succubus in his life shall be destroyed.
Amen.
Just
Amen.
believe.
Amen, Father.
It is well.
It is well.
It is well.
It is well. Amen.
Thank you
Okay,
very
Father,
much.
I will tell him everything you said.
It is well with you, sister.
Amen, Father.
May
Amen.
the Spirit of the Lord be with you. Bless the name of the Father, Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Amen.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Father. I really appreciate your time.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Wow!
Do you realize you've said that like 1,000 times already?
I don't care how many times I say it, I'm just stating the obvious. See, it's been a long time I had a meal this good.
Well, I'm glad you like it.
Yes, baby.
Wait, Subin.
Yes.
Please, will you be busy tomorrow?
Tomorrow? Not really. Is there anything the matter?
I want us to go and see the Reverend Father. Don't be angry, but I spoke to him about your situation. And he said you need special prayers. He actually told me to do a 7 days fasting and prayers for you which I ended yesterday.
You did 7 days fasting and prayers for me.
Are you angry?
No, but was that why you've been keeping away from me? I actually thought you've given up on us.
No, never, Obim. That will never happen. Okay?
Yes.
Will you come with me?
Yes.
Okay.
Good afternoon, Auntie.
Good afternoon, good evening. Good afternoon, good evening. Greeting ministry. It's okay. Osi. What are you doing here? Wait, does your mother know that you are here with this cockroach? I mean, the Majeku that I know, your mother, is she aware that you are here with this efulefu, this cockroach?
Auntie, enough of that. Look, with all due respect, I take exception to you talking to my man like that. Stop calling him names. Look, who I'm with and whatever I'm doing with the person is none of your business. So can you please just leave? Go away.
Your man, very soon he will become your woman. He will soon be your woman. Osi, I thought you are even a Chineke girl. If you are praying in the church like this, praying with rosary, you'll be bringing that Virgin Mary to bless us. I don't understand you again, no? If you must be with a man, in fact, I understand that you want to settle down. You want to get married. They have men with Range Rover, Jeep. You can settle with them. Not a cockroach. Good for nothing.
Auntie!
Uncle!
Auntie, I've had it up to here with you. I've had it up to here with you, Auntie. And if you don't want me to give you a reason to hate me more, leave this place this minute. Makachi, if you don't leave this place now, Auntie, I will give you more reasons why you will hate me. No. Auntie, if you don't leave here now, you
heard him go. He's sharpening knife.
Allow me.
I said that you are a cost boy. You are cost.
That's it. Auntie, if you don't leave, baby, let me give her short sleeve. Okay, long sleeve.
Let her go.
Long sleeve.
She's leaving.
No, you don't allow me. Let me give her short sleeve. Idiot.
She's gone.
Cockroach.
Calm down.
Imagine. She can't be cockroach. She can't be cockroach, baby.
She's gone. You're not a cockroach.
My cockroach.
Leave woman alone. You don't know that any man that does not have money is not supposed to go after a woman. Nonsense. If you don't have money, leave woman alone. Go and make money and be useful for yourself. Slap me. Slap.
Hey, Auntie. Good afternoon, ma. Auntie, are you okay?
I'm fine.
You dey sure?
I'm fine.
Okay. Are you?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
What you give, that's what you get. We are farmers every season of our life. What you give in of our life. What you give, that is what you get. We are farmers every season of our life. Be careful what you're sowing now. Tomorrow is much bound. Yeah. must surely tell. Yeah, if you have to know what you give, that's what you get. All our actions that we take must have a price. What you do, that is what you see. All the evil that we do must have a rise. Be careful what you sorry now. Tomorrow it must surely bounce. Yes, if you have to know. Be careful what you're giving out. Tomorrow it must surely tell. Yeah, if you have to know what you give, that's what you get. We are farmers every season of our life. What you give, that is what you get. We are farmers every season of our life. Be careful what you're sowing now. Tomorrow it must surely bounce. Yeah, if you have to know. Be careful what you're giving out. Tomorrow it must surely tell.